Boom! That's how you do it. What is it? My name is Legend, and welcome to Drive Ahead. This time, I thought that we were going to play with the T-Rex. Yeah, you guys heard me right. The Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah. So we'll play one match with the T-Rex. Let's see how it works out. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm alive. Stay on. Yes. Okay, that worked out. Yes. Alright. Oh my god, that was so fast. Hey bro, over here. I just ate his face off, guys. Boom! That's how you do it. Okay, that's alright. Now, we'll try something that will probably end on a failure. Well, you know what? Let's just do it. We'll do King of the Hill with the T-Rex. Alright, this might be very bad. Let's see how it works. 8 essays. Come on, do it. Hey, no! Eat him. Oh my god, it's a two-sider. That's not good. Ah! And it was a devil one too. Oh my god. And oh god, no, not him. No, ah, come on. Okay, be careful. No way, ah! I'm still alive. Ah! Well, that was very bad. You know what I mean? Yes, hey, give me back my egg. This is my egg. Oh no, ah! I just died by coconut. Coconut tail. Oh, oh, come on. Boom. Oh god, no. Okay. Oh! Okay. Oh god, no. Got a new high score. 1. That was perfect, guys. I guess that was it for today. Oh my god, that asteroid just went off. Okay, so I guess it's getting good. Like, subscribe, and as always, goodbye.